Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. Another DIY, you guys. Yep, it's DIY time. It's DIY time. Hey, hey, hey. So I'm back with another one. Yes, I am. And this one's just a fun little springtime DIY to share with you guys. It's something you can put inside your home, or you can put it outside on your back porch, you know, as a decor for your deck outside, or just your backyard area. Or like I said, inside your home. So don't forget to press that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. I would love to have you as a part of the Petal is Blessed family. Yes. So you have to hit that subscribe button and press the bell. Press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another fun-filled DIY to share with you. And give me a thumbs up, press that like button, and share if you can. Share to Instagram, share to Twitter, you know, share to Facebook. Whatever social media you are on, it'd be nice if you share the video so everyone can get to see some of these DIYs too and get some ideas to spruce up their home for the spring and the summer. Yeah. So let's get into the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. Alright everyone, I have this plastic plate here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I cut the bling wrap into little strips, and I'll be gluing them going right around our plate. And now we have our flower bling wrap that I cut into little individual flowers, and I'll be gluing it going right around our plate also. Okay, now we have these white stones from the Dollar Tree, and we'll just be pouring them onto our plates. And I'll also be adding some sparkles, some glitter. I like using glitter. And now we're just gonna cut out the little succulents and stuff that we have, and just place them into the stones. And now I'll be adding some of our clear stones into our little bed to give it more of a little bling. You know I love my bling. And here is our finished look, everyone. Our Glam Faux Succulent Garden Decor. Hope I said that right. Yeah. I love how it turned out. I love how the decor with the succulents look. So I wanted to have one in my style, which has to have a little bit of glam, a little bit of sparkle. Yes, it does. And this is the idea that I came up with, and it was super fast and easy, and I think it looks very nice. You could place it indoor, you could place it outdoor. It's a nice piece of spring decor for inside, like I said, or outside of your home. Alright everyone, that is our little fun and quick. Like I said, it was an easy and quick DIY for today. nice and fun for the spring. Yeah. So leave me a comment and tell me what you think of today's DIY, and give me a thumbs up like I said. And if you're not subscribed, press that subscribe button, ring the bell, because if you don't ring the bell, YouTube does not let you know I upload a video. That's just the way they do it now. We have to follow their rules. You have to subscribe and press the bell. Alright everyone, thank you once again for taking your time to spend it with me and viewing my video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys all, like I always tell you. So remember, as always, stay blessed. From Petal is Blessed. Bye bye.